bakso, sate, the other food from Indonesia we can find in Philippines.
What are you talking about? I can't understand you. Can you
I
speak a
said
little
that
bit or
in
speak a little bit
Philippines,
louder?
are there any traditional food from Indonesia? I mean, that's if you like to eat bakso, if you like to eat
I don't
satay,
like
you
to
can
eat.
find.
Yan, I don't like it, bro.
Oh, what food do you like?
Coffee only. You know coffee?
Drink man yan.
Coffee?
I don't eat, but I drink. Yeah.
I drink coffee now. Let us
Oh,
cheers.
you love
okay?
coffee too.
Oh,
Yeah, cheers, cheers, cheers.
same
Cheers.
color.
Cheers. Yeah, we love pink. Do you love pink color?
Pink? No.
Oh, you don't like pink.
I like
That's
white.
white.
No, no,
Oh, you
I'm
love
not
white.
like pink. I like white.
Oh, you like white. But I
Yeah,
like black.
exactly.
Milk.
I like black.
Oh, I like
How old are
green.
you? How old are you?
I'm a 17, okay?
You're 17. Oy, bro, you're lying.
Yes, why?
Bad.
Why you surprise me? I'm
Bro.
a 17, boss.
Bro, you're lying to me, bro. That's bad, bro. You know where are you going when you tell lies? Oh my God. God. Don't laugh at me. That's bad. I don't like laughing something. No, just kidding. Don't laugh at me, bro. How old are you? Tell me the truth.
No, why you don't believe me? If I taught you that I'm 17, why you don't
I'm
believe
not
me?
17.
My face look like old, not young. I'm still young.
You're still young, really?
Yeah.
With that
Yeah.
face? Sorry,
But-
God.
I'm not married yet, boss.
Well, you're not married because you're not
Yeah.
married. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
You don't have marriage because you're not married. Yeah, I know about that. Don't worry.
Oh,
Don't worry. Yeah.
yeah. I like Philippine girl. I'm looking for
Oh,
Philippine
you like
girl.
Philippine girl? Oh, I'm not Philippine girl. Because
Yeah,
I'm
not you.
Filipina.
Your
I'm
friends?
Indonesian.
No, sorry.
Oh, my
Your
friend.
Is he
My
from
friend is
Philippines?
too young for you.
She have a girlfriend.
Can I see your friends?
No, you can't see her.
Why?
She is married too. Just like what you
Married.
said. Sabi niya
Okay,
married.
no problem.
Kayot ba?
No. It's okay, no problem. I want to see your friends. Even
No,
he's married.
I don't want you to see my friend because she's married, just like what you said before, earlier.